Somebody did this morning, dumped it on this property. I'm not cleaning it up. It ain't mine. But they did that this morning because it wasn't there yesterday. They think it's empty land. This land belongs to Karina Zambrano. And they just dumped a big old branch on her property. And it wasn't there yesterday. And it wasn't there this morning. This property belongs to Karina Zambrano. I sold it to her. It no longer belongs to me. But they think they're dumping it there. And I heard somebody yell in the alley. You got a truck, you can haul it off. I'm getting a lawyer. I'm calling lawyers Monday. Because I'm not going to clean that up. It's not my property no more. See all of that? I'm not cleaning it up. And the woman at the courthouse got fired. She went into the computer and changed a bunch of names. And I'm not cleaning this shit up either. Somebody says, yes, you are. No, I'm not. I don't own that land no more. And I got proof that I don't own that land no more. Now I see you people out cleaning their damn yard. Well, we're going to fill this dumpster. I am. For almost 2-3 years, I not be able to use that dumpster. It's always constantly full. Wednesday and today is the first time it's been empty like that.
Well, what about we had a new dumpster?
We did have a new dumpster. Somebody stole it.
So why do we have that door like that?
Because somebody broke it off.
Where did you ever...
How should I know? I don't own the dumpster.
But we use it.
Okay, I don't know who stole the lid off the dumpster.
It just don't look the same.
Well,